pH Miracle Diet and Water Ionizers. The pH Miracle Diet is a revolutionary new program for restoring balance to the body. By eating foods and drinks that are mostly alkaline, you remove the negative effects of acidic foods. People who have started the diet report that they experience weight loss, improvement in arthritis, removal of concentration problems and more energy, as well as many other benefits. The key to the pH Miracle Diet is eating primarily alkaline foods. However, drinking alkaline water is also important. Alkaline or ionized water provides your body with the right pH it needs for your cells to function. The human body and all of its cells have a pH of 7.4 that is slightly alkaline. Drinking alkaline water helps support this system. Ionized alkaline water can be created in your very own home with the use of a water ionizer. The water ionizer will take the water from your kitchen faucet and pass it through an advanced filter that will remove pesticides, chlorine and other contaminants. The water will then be pulled through an ionization chamber. In this chamber, the pre-filtered water is run over positive and negative electrodes to split it into acid and alkaline water. Alkaline water is better tasting and has antioxidant activity. It improves your body's ability to detoxify itself and increases the oxygen delivered to your cells. The minerals within the water are microclustered for better hydration. Drinking alkaline water each day will help your body become more balanced. If you use green drinks to support your pH Miracle Diet, mixing them with ionized water will increase their effectiveness. Using ionized water in cooking will also produce better tasting foods. Alkaline water will help vegetables maintain their natural colors when you steam them. Ionized water helps rid your body of accumulated acid. The water helps flush toxins from all of the body tissues and into the kidneys, where it is then excreted through the urine. If you've been eating a highly acidic diet and started the pH Miracle Diet, it is recommended that you drink 4 liters of ionized water per day to get your system back in order. 4 liters of water per day may seem like a lot, but it will be better for your health if you flush out the toxins as fast as possible. A water ionizer has 2 water chambers, one with positive electrodes and one with negative electrodes. The negative electrodes will attract the positive minerals, which are all alkaline, and the positive electrodes attract negatively charged minerals, or acid minerals. The alkaline minerals are calcium, magnesium, manganese and potassium. The acid minerals are chlorine, fluoride, sulfur, silicon and copper. The 2 chambers have a special membrane between them with microscopic holes. The holes are so small that the water molecules cannot mingle, but the ionized minerals can get through. After the process is complete, there will be about 70% alkaline water and 30% acid water. The alkaline water comes through the spigot, and the acid water is expelled directly into the drain. Water ionizers have been in use for the last 60 years and were first developed in Japan's agricultural universities. The health benefits of ionized water were well researched, and then water ionizers became available to the Japanese public. They are now available to residents in other countries as well.